What if I told you that tiny changes in your daily routine could transform your entire life? This is the core idea behind Atomic Habits by James Clear, a book that reveals the power of small habits and how they shape our success. James Clear explains that small habits, just like tiny atoms, seem insignificant at first, but over time they accumulate into remarkable results. He calls this the power of compounding habits, where a 1% improvement every day leads to massive growth in the long run. Every habit follows a predictable cycle. First, there's a cue, a trigger that starts the habit. Then comes the craving, the desire to act. This leads to the response, the actual habit, and finally, the reward, which reinforces the behavior. Understanding this loop helps us break bad habits and build good ones. To build better habits, James Clear suggests 4 powerful rules. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, and make it satisfying. Let's break them down. If you want a habit to stick, make it visible. Want to start working out? Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Want to read more? Keep a book on your pillow. Simple changes like these set you up for success. The secret to motivation? Pair new habits with things you love. If you want to build a reading habit, read while sipping your favorite coffee. If you want to work out, listen to your favorite playlist. When habits are enjoyable, they stick. Start small, really small. James Clear suggests the 2-minute rule. Instead of committing to an hour at the gym, just do 2 minutes of exercise. Once you start, it's easier to keep going. Tiny actions lead to big results. Breaking bad habits follows the same laws, but in reverse. Make them invisible, unattractive, difficult, and unsatisfying. If you want to stop snacking on junk food, don't buy it. If you want to use your phone less, keep it in another room. Small changes create big differences. Success isn't about sudden breakthroughs. It's about consistent daily action. Start small, stay consistent, and over time, your habits will shape your destiny. So, what's one small habit you can start today? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Let's build great habits together.